Okay, today we're going to be discussing PLU groups. PLU groups allow you to manage multiple items as one group instead of editing them individually. This is especially useful when you want to control pricings, margins, or even apply changes across similar products like beverages, candies, or cigarettes. Instead of updating items one by one, you can update the entire group in just a few clicks, saving time and ensuring consistency. PLU groups also help during purchase orders where changes can be applied across all the items in the same group automatically. Let's go ahead and create a PLU group. Now to create a PLU group, go to the Pricebook and select PLU Group. An even quicker way to find what you need is by using the Smart Search. Search for PLU Group. Click on Add and enter the group name, and if needed, set a limit per invoice. This limit controls how many items from this group can be sold in a single transaction, and this only applies to Crony POS. Now move to Add Items. You can scan items using a barcode or search and select them manually. From here, you can update pricing or margins for all items at once using options like Change All Prices or Change Margin. You can also import templates from our back office and go ahead and either scan or you could manually input your products. And that's it. Your PLU group is now created. In your purchase order, you now notice that the price has increased for an item. Simply click the P and you can go ahead and update the price for all the items at once. Once you create the group and start selling the items, you can access the sales by items, where you would be able to see your item history and your top selling items. Here you can view the amount of items sold in the last 7 days or the last 30 days. This includes sales and purchase quantity. And that's all for the PLU groups. Join me in our next video where we will cover and discuss departments. I'll see you guys in the next one.